It's 9 a.m. You log in. An AI agent has already finished your report, but instead of feeling relieved, you feel a knot in your stomach. You check the data. Then you check it again. Then you refresh the page. You are stuck in the anxiety loop. It's 2026, and while the robots are doing the work, you are more exhausted than ever. Why? It's not just being busy. You are facing a three-headed monster. First, the fear of displacement. That quiet terror that if you aren't the fastest, you'll be replaced by AI or a cheaper, younger human. Second, the double workload. You have to deliver your normal results while learning complex AI tools. It feels like working two jobs at once. And third, the always-on pressure. You work in a hybrid team where AI agents never sleep, so you feel guilty if you do. You aren't burned out because you're weak. You're burned out because you are fighting a war on three fronts. Here is how to win. Hack number 1, the yet rule. When a new AI tool does the work and you think, I can't do this, you are triggering a threat response. Stop. Add the word yet to the end. I can't do this yet. It sounds simple, but it flips your brain from panic to learning mode. Hack number 2, the motivation sandwich. Procrastinating on learning a new skill? Trick your dopamine. Tell yourself, I will do 15 minutes of this so I don't look stupid in the meeting, and then I can leave work on time. Pain, then reward. Hack number 3 is for the loopers. If you catch yourself checking work done by AI over and over just to feel safe, stop. You need a physical pattern interrupt. Stand up, clap your hands. Or rub your thumb and index finger together and focus on the texture. You have to physically shock your system to snap out of the zombie check mode. Hack number 4, the 5-second anchor. You get an error message. Your heart races. We are going to install a calm button on your body. Remember a time you felt totally confident. Squeeze your ring finger knuckle hard for 5 seconds while feeling that confidence. Do this daily. Next time stress hits, squeeze the knuckle. Your body remembers the calm, even if your brain forgets. Hack number 5, the change resume. You are scared of being replaced, but AI replaces tasks, not humans. Write down every change you've survived. Email, Excel, remote work. You adapted to all of them. AI is just the next tool in the box. You are the master. It is the servant. Don't forget that. The future belongs to the calm, not the fast. If you want to build a bulletproof career in the future, you need the right strategy. Subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense behavioral guides to navigating the future of work.